Hello! In this video, we will learn about positive and negative integers on a number line. Whole numbers are numbers starting with 0 with no fractions or decimals. Integers include whole numbers and their opposites. Every integer has an opposite value on the number line that is the same distance from 0, but in the opposite direction. Positive integers are greater than 0, and negative integers are less than 0. 0 is not positive or negative. The opposite of the integer positive 2 is negative 2, since both numbers are 2 spaces away from 0. The opposite of a negative integer is a positive integer. The integer negative 7 is shown here on the number line. The opposite of negative 7 is positive 7. Both numbers are 7 spaces away from 0 on the number line. Integers can be used when talking about real-life situations. A diver swimming 10 feet below sea level is at negative 10 feet. The opposite of negative 10 is positive 10. The weather forecast calls for snow and a high temperature of 8 degrees above 0. The opposite of positive 8 is negative 8. And that's how you find positive and negative integers on a number line. See you next time.